What we're testing on today is Dr Beckmans Stain Devils. Right, now the instructions say to put it on the infected area, use a cloth to get rid of it. Put it under a damp cloth, or a dry cloth, and then rub off the affected area with a damp cloth, but I'll just go and put it in this bucket. So give that to soak for a minute. Right, it's been 6 minutes. Take a look. Oh, look at that. That's how effective it is. It comes out on everything. Right, what we'll do now is we'll put these in the washing machine like normal on a 40-degree cycle and we'll see what results you get. Right, so what we're testing here is Dr Beckmans Stain Devils. We've got one pre-treated item here. One cloth to get rid of the pen, and then one untreated here. So we're going to stick some DAS in. We're going to stick it on a normal 40 cycle. So press skip reset on the cycle. 40 degrees. It's 1:55. It won't be that. I feel about an hour. Else. Some DAS, 40ml DAS there, plenty for this load. We'll see how it gets on. Results. Well, that's just turned blue. The stain is erased a little bit. It's not fully gone. That was the treated one. How about the untreated? Well, the untreated one actually came out perfect, which is quite unusual, really. So as a result of that, the stain devils seem to make things worse rather than actually make things better.